Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a napkin into a buffet pouch that you can put your silverware in. I'll be using a cloth napkin, but this also works well with a paper napkin. Now we're going to start by bringing this bottom edge up to the top edge. Next we'll bring this right edge over to the left edge. Next we're going to take just the top layer from this corner on the top left and fold it down. We're going to bring the corner just past halfway, so it should be right there. And then we'll bring this edge down to that corner. Next we'll bring this next corner on the top left and fold it down to that edge. Next we'll bring that new edge, and we're going to bring it down and we're going to tuck it inside this little pocket here. We're going to tuck it in just a little bit. So it should be about right there. Now we'll turn the whole thing over. Now we're going to fold this right edge over a third of the way. Now we'll bring this left edge over to this edge. Now turn the whole thing over. Now you have a perfect little pouch to tuck your silverware into. Now I do have a playlist full of tutorials on how to fold a bunch of different silverware pockets. I'll link to that right here and in the description below. But if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.